gimbal the other day, wasn't it? Where we were taking photos, he was there with the phone on the
So it's a big part of it now, I think.
Yeah.
Middle of interview or something?
Yeah, we're just doing vlogging, yeah.
Okay, do you have any permission from the organizers of the show regarding like record?
Photography Show 2026 in Birmingham. Here we are.
Loving it. Better than London.
We're only,
Slightly more convenient for us.
yeah, we've only just stepped in, not far from here. But it should be really exciting for a few reasons.
Go on then.
Well, first time I've got a Sony kit to look for all the Sony stuff.
His integration.
And well, we're just by the Nikon stand there. See it?
Yeah.
And we can hand hold the Mark II zooms. We've been so critical.
200. I'll wait for that.
70,
Yeah. Lighter.
And there's lots of setups here for gadgets, gizmos, and film photography, and all sorts. It'll be really interesting to see, and we're going to show you.
Got Samsung phones here.
That's the other thing. Mobile phone technology is here a lot, doing lots of displays.
Well, they legit video cameras now. Apparently they are.
And content creators. It's all integrating now. It'll be really interesting to see. So yeah, we're going to show you what we find, and the used deals on the brand new and used cameras and lenses are always really good here. So
we always come on the last day just in case they're throwing something out before they go home.
We're not really after anything today, are we?
No,
We say that.
No.
Famous last words.
Right.
Okay, let's see what we find.
All right.
Body only is.
I use an Xbox controller. That's weird. That controls the zoom and the
Screen and those. Full slot space.
That's strange.
That's really insane.
No, that's the power button.
Oh.
You broke it now. No. Where to film? 2470 Mark II on the ZR. Jeez. Looks quite big still, to you?
Yeah. There's a bit of weight in that as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's him. That is significantly lighter in the hat.
It's a bit small as well, isn't it?
Well, please, you doing it.
Well, let me any show deals on that one. Long. We've been here like 5 minutes, and then Russell was desperate for a coffee.
So we've been here 5 minutes and we've already got coffee and cake.
Cake.
I've never seen one like that before.
And yeah, I think
like a fishing rod.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a Canon Zone. Ooh.
Ooh, no. You're not integrating that.
No way. Only allow third-party lenses.
Don't they?
Where we're going to go? Way up there. So you can see where all our sensors are made. The Leica and Sony and Nikon all there. Ooh, Sony. So this tilts, look, tilts, spans, it flips out reverses.
It's like a Panasonic from 15 years ago.
So, that's amazing, though, isn't it? So it does. It's a bit stiff coming out, I guess, but it does it. And then you can come out like that. And you just flip like that.
Yeah.
Yours won't do.
Well, Nikon's won't do that either, will they?
Oh look, Russell's tenses.
That goes out like that. It's the same, isn't it? But almost exactly the same. It's a bit bigger, isn't it? There's grip.
Yeah. As in, like, the speed, yeah.
But
What is that your main thing? The size of the screw?
No specific. No. But I don't use it, so they have aim on or two with like that. Yeah.
walk away, Russell. Walk away. Walk away.
Bit of phrase.
Was waiting for some other brand to do what they want to do. I wouldn't consider myself a creator as such because I'm not filming and creating short form content. What's going to be consumed in a very fast way and then moved on. I'm creating content that needs to potentially last a more longer period on a website or in someone's archive of their wedding or their day or whatever.
Yeah. Because just the interesting thing about that is, so at 50, it's zoomed in, and then she zooms out 24. Strange, isn't it? But if you compare it to, it's about weight and size, isn't it? For the So I got the 40, obviously. I love that. But
We got the 40.
yeah.
So I hit up myself.
Do you?
Yeah, I do street photography. That's why I ask you if you do street.
Oh right.
Yeah.
It's more about street and travel, isn't it? You just want to be a bit lighter.
Yeah, it's light. It's not a G motor, it's a G lens, but it's pretty quick and fast. One highlight myself quite a lot is like the aperturing. You can change it really quick.
Yeah.
On the bullets. So Sony Alpha.
Oh yeah. You have to have the cloths.
Yeah.
No other cloths would clean it as well, would they?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Oh, it's on. Why do people leave it on manual focus?
Some of these.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Spinning. I need a Buckeye van. Not sure what it's advertising.
And the first we're about to creatively go to a slower sort of speed and then go back to a faster speed. And it's just a really nice way of being able to capture something a bit differently and get a slightly different shot that you might not take the first place. At a faster speed, all of this snow that's kind of drifting across would have just been individual dots while there's no kind of drifting line. Instead of kind of how much emphasis I put on bird protection, I thought this was a pretty good example to show you. This was editing a couple of weeks ago and shooting this jay in this really nice kind of frame. We put this wooden frame around it here as he sat in a tree. And it's a good example of where you might have a busy foreground and
Sigma. Oh, there we go.
Wow.
keep when
Battery.
Same in London, we couldn't see the cameras. It's probably in front of their tiny showcases.
Probably the most expensive cameras here, and they don't even have. No. We're done. I made it out without buying anything. How did you?
I bought just a little wrist strap, cuff, and it was like, I don't know, a few quid.
Oh, right.
A few quid cheaper than normally internet price, so, and I needed it, obviously, because I couldn't. What will happen now, tomorrow,
You find the other
I'll
one.
find the other one, but so what? It's an excuse to buy something, but that was it.
What did you think about the show overall?
I thought it was probably about the same size as London last year. I don't think it was as big as the last time it was in Birmingham 2 years ago.
No,
Although you-
possibly not. What do you think about? What about the prices of used the new price?
There were, I mean, we're on the last day, just thinking there might be some crazy show prices. I mean, 2 years ago, I bought my Z8 here because the price was really good.
It's crazy price, yeah.
But there didn't seem to be any crazy prices on the last day.
No.
There's some show prices that are a little bit cheaper than
Yeah.
the internet, but nothing massively
No.
significant.
No.
You tried a few of your integrated Sony
Yeah, I had a
system
look at the
lenses.
Sony. I got my Sony stuff, and it was interesting to see the Sony options. It's good to see the weights and the size in real life. You can't tell from looking online.
And we saw the Nikon 70-200 Mark II.
Yes.
Did look nice, feel nice.
It did feel noticeably lighter.
Yeah.
And if that's the main selling point, then okay, that's
Yeah,
good. But
nice.
apart from that, it's quite longer though. But yeah, and
It's not enough like to maybe sort of find 1,500 quid to upgrade Mark 1 to Mark 2.
I don't think so. But I think it's just good to see the gear in real life
Yeah.
for what you're thinking about buying. And online I can find better deals than they were doing anyway, if you're patient enough.
I mean, grey market deals were a lot less than
Yeah.
even what they're selling here. They've confirmed it's going to be back at London next year, which I think a lot of people last year said, oh, it's not so good in having it in London, have it in the middle of the country in Birmingham. So if we went, it would really be an excuse to go to London for
Just
some street photography, wouldn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Etc.
Right, okay, tell us what you think. Did you come to the event? What did you find anything interesting? Oh, but what was interesting?
Ooh.
The mobile phone
Oh yeah, Samsung had a big stand.
Creators Lounge, which is really popular with a lot of young people in there as well.
Yeah.
Because they've already got the phones, the camera phones, and that's what we're seeing a massive integration of now.
And the software on them was probably brilliant.
And we're doing music jobs and corporate jobs, and people are using phones to get the results they want more than ever.
There was a guy with a phone on a gimbal the other day, wasn't there? Where we were
Yeah.
taking photos, he was there with the phone on the
So it's a
gimbal.
big part of it now, I think.
Yeah.
Love interview or something?
Yeah, we're just doing vlogging, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
do you have any permission from the organizers of the show regarding like recording in this such an area?
Okay, we'll move
For
on.
the show,
Yes, yeah.
actually anything you want.
Right, okay.
Oh, right.
Because there's some places people don't want you to record
Right, okay.
these areas, so
Okay.
unless you have a free pass.
No,
Yeah.
it's all right. We're just passing through. Okay, all right. Okay, right. See you next time.
See you next time.